So the explanation of a grinder. First of all, we need to know that discs have different sizes. So you should never use a disc that is bigger than the guard. Every grinder has his own discs. Then we have to identify the different kind of discs. Meaning, we have cutting discs, we have grinding discs, we have polishing discs, we have many, many different ones. But many times we are using in the car workshop a cutting disc. Cut things. Before you put them on, make sure that the disc itself is still in a good state, meaning you check it if it's still okay. After that, you place it with a reading on top, so you can always read and anyone else can read what kind of disc is on it. Then you check the lock. The lock has different positions, and for this disc we need the position of a flat place so we can really push it down. Otherwise the disc will be loose and it will not work. For the thicker discs we need to use this size. For the thin discs we are using this side. You put them on, put it on lock, and always make sure it's not plugged in while you're working on the disc. Always plugged out. And then you fix it. Once you fixed it, it's okay to use. Never put it this way. You can hurt the disc by placing it that way, and you will have a crack and you will not know. Every grinder has a special place where you can place it. You can see here. It will stay stable. Never put it on the floor, always on the table. And if you're done with use it, unplug it. Always. Make sure before you use it, the switch is working. Which PPE do we need? We need this one here for covering our ears. We need eye goggles. Before that, anything you want to grind, disc, you want to cut or whatsoever, has to be insured on a secure place. So we're using the vise. Metal. Before cutting, make sure where you want to cut it. You know where already, or it doesn't matter. Make sure it's not so far away from the place you have attached it. Because if you do it this way, you will have trouble because this one will get loose. Put it securely in, not far in the way that you don't touch here, but you're getting through. Never grind this way so the sparks will hit you. Always stand next to it and then cut through it. Yeah? Depending on either you're left-handed or right-handed, you can change this. Or depending on where you stand. But this way you will make sure all the sparks are going down and not towards you. So, plug it in. You just make a small cut. Wear your goggles. You wear your other goggles. And the others have to go a little bit away. Yeah? So, everything that can catch fire, put it away. Otherwise you're in trouble. You want to make a small cut just here. Make sure it is away from you. Push it on. cut through. No force. Once the disc is over, you can put it back. So now you try. Place it up, wait until it's finished, and then place it back on the table. All right, finished.